one last addition to what we did here in our front yard, YouTube. As you can see, the circles of white rocks all along our walkway out to the road. We actually caught a sale at our tractor supply company here about a couple of weeks ago. They had a pack of these bulbs that we planted here in the ground, a pack of 8 for $5.99. We thought that was a very good deal, so we got those. And what they actually are the same thing as these, and these are gladiolus. These are actually wild gladiolus that we dug up out of the woods next to the railroad track down the road, maybe almost 3 years ago now. We planted those here on the other side of our 125-gallon garden pond, and as you can see, they've done quite well. They bloom every spring, so we're looking forward to these girls here blooming here within the next couple of months. They actually have a nice orange bloom with yellow accents on them. And the ones that we actually planted here have a nice yellow bloom with orange accents on them. So we thought that would give our front yard a very nice look as you walk down the walkway here towards the front porch. So we'll bring you guys back with updates on these in the next couple of weeks as they peak their hairs above the ground and begin to sprout. And definitely we'll bring you guys back for an update when they actually bloom later on this year. Thanks for watching, YouTube.